And you're welcome back. This is still the AM Club, and I know this is a bit of a surprise because you usually see us when we're talking to artists and jamming and having fun and moving around where I win the battles and stuff. But today, myself and Ufua, we decided we want to get into the AM's Club's business because we love the show so much, right?
They've been having so much fun on it without us, so today we had to come and crash the party.
Yeah,
so
we weren't invited.
Today.
We came here by force. So
that's why you see us looking different from the beats, you know, like we had to switch up the look. Jason's haircut is dope, by the way. And so, welcome to the AM Club. It's still the AM Club right here on MX24. And we are about to talk to some amazing people. I love ice cream a lot. And so when I heard I could talk to them about ice cream, in fact, my bowls of ice cream are ready. Jason?
Yeah. I mean, I love ice cream myself. But send us messages based on everything we're going to talk of. Instagram, Twitter, everywhere. Very, very simple. MX24GH. And you can add the hashtag, the AM Club. So, for the next couple of minutes, we're going to be talking to, like she said, a couple of incredible people who've been doing this for years. But this event didn't happen last year because of, you know, the pandemic and the restrictions and all of that. But thanks to God, they're back. And I've never been, so I'm even more excited to talk to them. So today, we have Beatrice and we have Lena in the house. How you guys doing? Look at me. Is this how you guys look every morning? Because you guys look lovely.
We're born ready.
Hey.
Oh, man.
Okay, so I like that. So, ice cream fair, that's what it's called, right?
Yeah.
Okay, can we talk about ice cream fair? What is it about, and then when did it begin?
Okay, so ice cream fair is the only creamy event in Ghana.
Ooh,
wow.
Creamy.
Yeah, you would agree with me. Everybody loves ice cream, and we just thought it would be fun to have a day dedicated to only ice cream, though we would have some supporting activities, but this is a day dedicated solely for ice cream, where you have varieties of ice cream, different shapes and sizes of ice cream, different tastes of ice cream.
Are we still talking about ice cream?
Yes, we are.
We need to know.
So
I'm already sold. I mean, I'm going to be there. Like I said, this is going to be my first time. But, I mean, you have told us that ice cream, but Beatrice, why ice cream though? Because we're speaking of, we could have done anything, you know. Did you guys just want to be different? Is there a reason for focusing on ice cream? Is it to attract more customers, more of a fan base? Why ice cream though?
Okay, so ice cream is, everyone loves ice cream. You know, on a hot sunny day, you could just have an ice cream.
Yeah.
So it's kind of like a family day. We want everyone to come around, just have fun. And we want something different. You know, you always have your jollof, your wache. This is ice cream, you know, it's time to freeze, so we just thought of having an ice cream fair.
I see. Okay, so how long have you been doing this, and how has the response been so far? Lena, you want to take this?
Yeah, so ice cream first started in 2018.
Okay.
We were live 2018, 2019, and almighty COVID came in 2020. But this year we are back again, and it's been quite challenging, but the reception from our audience has been fantastic. It's been great. Especially, it's mostly targeted to the families in the morning, where they, you know, it's on the 26th of December, so it sort of has the picnic feel. So families come there in the morning, have fun. Then in the evening, we have a massive concert. So over the years, we've worked with people like Promise, Kwesi Arthur, Manifest, La Mem Gang, name them, and they've been on our stage for a massive concert in the evening. So this is basically it. Then the challenges has been with, you know how some Ghanaian brands are, if they don't really know about you, they do not want to affiliate themselves with you. But in 2019, we had Fun Ice on board to sponsor us, and they loved it. So hopefully this year too, there's something in the pipeline. We wouldn't talk much about it.
But how's this one going to be different though? Because you know, with anything that's doing well, you know, from the fan base, the fans' perspective, like we work on TV, they always want to see it get better, you know, they always want to see something different. So how's this one going to be different? If I'm a fan watching this, why should I come to this event?
So this time around, we are freezing the time to give you off a fun-packed activity. So the theme is the Time Freeze edition. Last year, we didn't have, So we are giving you 2020-2021 activity fun pack.
So that day, like, time is not going to run?
No, we are freezing the time. We are taking over.
Hey. Okay, so what's this year's theme?
As I said, the time freeze.
Time freeze,
Yes,
okay.
yes. So
Okay.
that's what we are working with. So when you hear of time freeze, anything that comes in your mind, you are free to think it.
Hey.
We are freezing the time. Every activity there is going to be frozen for you. Frozen ice creams, frozen everything.
I don't know why I feel like your mind is not
I don't
really
know what
right
you're
here
thinking.
right now. But maybe it's just because my mind is somewhere far.
Yeah.
Please calm
Take it.
down.
I'm calm.
Please calm
I'm
down.
calm. I'm very, very calm. So, Beatrice, aside the ice cream, Lena has said that a lot of things are going to happen. There are going to be other activities. So, clearly, there's going to be a music concert. What else are fans to expect? And then, when we come out, what else are we to expect?
Okay, so you're going to have lots of activities. There's going to be a dance battle. We're going to have. I don't want to give in.
Please don't add
You
that
know,
to the dance battle.
I don't want to
Don't
give
add
a
that
lot,
to
lot of information.
already
But
much.
I think this year we are even introducing some two major activities that has never happened before. So we are going to have the ice bath challenge. We are going to have a giant swimming pool. So I don't know how long you can stay in the ice, but we are going to have that activity. And I want to see the men. Yes, I want to
take
see.
us to Iceland or something.
We are doing that.
I would love to do it, but I can't take my shirt off because I'm skinny. So
We
if I'm
don't
allowed to wear
mind.
clothes,
We don't. Yeah, you're allowed to wear clothes. I mean, there will be children around, so we don't want.
yeah,
We don't want to scare them
yeah, let's
away.
keep it. Yeah,
So yeah, then
Yeah.
aside that, we are also going to crown the Mr. and Mrs. Ice Creamer of the Year.
can I get my title already?
Wait.
What do I have to do?
Is this something you do annually or this is a
No,
new
this
addition?
is very special to this.
Oh.
You know, we are freezing the time.
Okay, so tell me about my title.
Right. Which title?
Tell me about my title.
This is
Since
how he
I'm-
always claims and then he end up.
Tell me
losing.
about my
Are
title.
you
What-
sure you're up for it?
Yeah, what? I mean, what's it about for?
No
for those
problem.
watching?
So we are going to have activations leading to the event.
Okay.
So we'll break it down what you are supposed to do to gain that title. So just stay tuned. Follow our pages on Facebook, Instagram, Ice Cream Fair Ghana, and we will unravel the various activities that you are supposed to do to win.
Call me
this-
Mr. Ice Cream
this-
until the event is over.
So further notice.
Call me Mr. Ice Cream.
Okay, so
Yeah, I mean, it's incredible what you guys are doing. But we spoke off air also about it's not just going to be ice cream. You know, there's going to be food, drink, vendors. So tell us about that. You know, because how do people get on board? Is it fully booked? And tell us about
the
all these
packages,
stuff.
Right,
Yeah.
so we were waiting to launch it before we officially opened the slots. But trust me, we've had vendors calling to book their stands. So if you want to be a part of it, just call 055 8077 440 and I will pick up and talk to you.
put out the number again.
Put out the number a couple more times, please.
055 8077 440.
Okay, that's
We
enough.
could wrap it.
05587.
No, I don't want him to grasp the number, so we'll
Okay.
just hold off on that.
I just watched the repeat, so there's not going to be a problem.
You did mention also that you've had challenges, but obviously there's been other good times as well. Can you take us through those good ones too?
I mean, aside the challenges, it has been a great event.
Okay.
It has always been a great, the reception, the crowd. If you go to our page and you see our past videos, everybody there is jamming. You can never come for ice cream fair and, you know, stand still. Everybody is jamming. So it's like everyone is looking forward to the next event because of what happens over there, right? So it has been, the reception has been amazing, especially from parents, right through to the affluent youth.
Okay.
Everybody, the reception has been.
And now, I mean, you're partnering with MX24, so
Yeah.
it's going to be even better,
It's
right?
going to be huge. I mean, we are freezing the time.
Yeah.
So we are doing this together, guys.
If I was an ice cream,
Yeah.
what flavor would I be?
Don't push
I mean, you guys are ice cream experts,
Alrighty,
so
she thinks I'm thinking something.
That one is our business.
No, but if you're thinking something, you're allowed to think.
Do you have a date for the event?
Yeah, 26th of
No,
December.
do you have a date?
A
As I
date.
doing with someone?
She'll be working,
We
Jason.
could talk about it.
Okay.
Hey, you know,
okay,
you two, you
okay.
came, pal.
Okay. So, like you were saying, the date, the venue, the time. Please tell us everything.
Okay, so the date is 26th of December, 2021.
Let's be very clear.
Yes, be specific.
Yeah.
26th of December, 2021. And the time is 10 a.m. till 9 p.m. 10 to 9 p.m.
Okay.
The venue is at Enclave Gardens at East Legon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it free for everyone? Do you have to pay
Yeah,
to
I was
enter?
just gonna
You
ask that.
would, the entrance fee.
Okay.
So an individual is 20 cedis.
Okay.
No, sorry, an individual is 30 cedis.
Okay.
Couple is 50, and a family of 5, we are giving you 100 cedis.
Wow.
for
I mean,
that.
that's fair.
Very.
That's very fair. So you said a couple's what?
50.
50. Okay.
Yes.
Are you going
But-
with the kinky seller?
Wait. Well, since you're going to be there already, and I'm going. Okay, so we'll talk about that off air. We'll talk about that off air.
All right. I was going to say Beatrice. I was going to say Jason. So then when people come in, you know, they would expect that, okay, if I pay this, it's with the activities that will be happening, I'm entitled to something. So with their gate fee, is there any entitlement to the amount they pay? Or with the activities that would happen, how do they register? What happens? What's the procedure?
Okay, so they have to pay at the gate. When they get to the entrance, they
Okay.
just have to pay. And there's going to be so much fun, lots of activities. So it's the whole day. They have the
Okay.
whole day to just enjoy the ice cream fair.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So if I pay like bonus of ice cream, you get ice cream before you enter or something.
Let's hope anything can happen.
All right.
If you come with me, now since I've got a date and she's part of the
Dates.
show,
But who says she's
if you
going
had
with you?
come with me, that's what I'm talking to Lena about.
Oh.
So guys, where can we find you on social media again for those who want to check you out?
Instagram, Facebook at Ice Cream Fair Ghana
Okay.
with a very pinky, with this logo.
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's,
And to the sponsors, you want to say thank you to them because I'm sure they've been incredible, right?
Yeah, they've been, but I still need more sponsors.
Oh, so
to-
people can still sponsor.
Yeah, you can
We
still
need more
sponsor.
sponsors.
So
Okay.
just call 05580777440.
It's,
And
774.
yes,
Okay.
you would want to be part of this because we have your target audience from
Okay.
children to,
adults and all.
I mean, everybody is
That's
there.
one thing I wanted to ask.
Everybody-
Children. can come.
Everybody, children. So if you're a sponsor, this is like a great place to advertise your product. We have the kids, we have the fathers, we have the mothers, and everybody else.
Yeah,
That's-
the couples and
Yes, so all
everybody,
of
everybody
those
else.
people.
Okay.
Yeah, but
okay.
one thing I wanted to know is you guys have been doing this. It was in 3 years. I mean, because last year. How far do you want this to go? How big do you want this to be? Because if there are sponsors watching, and now MX24 is part of this, because we believe in events and people who have a vision, who are doing something for themselves in society. So for that person watching, how far do you want the ice cream fair to go? What's the plan?
You know, we wanted to go as far as we would be pushed to have 3 ice cream fair events every year. That is how huge we are looking at it. And we wanted to get to a point where it's not just going to be in Accra. We could go to Kumasi, we could go to Takoradi, we could go to the north, anywhere to
Nice.
hold an ice cream fair event. So the vision is huge, and this is time for you to be a part of it.
Okay, so to anybody who is watching and might want to partner with you, is there something specific that you look out for? Is there criteria you look out for?
Yeah, because we have a target audience and kids are part of it,
Yeah.
we are not really looking at things that will go against and put them
Nice
in
one.
danger, you know. We want to maintain the sanity
Yeah.
for the kids.
Okay.
Yes, so
Thank you
those are
guys
some of them.
so much for coming through. It's been incredible.
Yeah. Oh, and it's been amazing crashing the AM show today. My disguise worked, didn't it?
It did. It
Where's
did.
your hair?
I'm going to the ice cream. I'm just looking like an ice cream cone, literally. But thank you guys so much for coming to Beatrice
Right.
and to Lena. So, guys, like they said, you know where to find their social media pages. Be a part of it. 26th December, Enclave Gardens, right? East Legon, from 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
to 10
To
p.m.
10 or till Mama calls.
Yeah, because they're kids, so the kids will
Yeah,
go
the
home.
kids should go home.
Yeah,
and then
for me and
we
Lina
take
to
o-
be there. That is it, you know. So yes, please go and support them. Like they said, they've been doing this. If you're a sponsor and you do want to sponsor them, you know, when MX24 has their name on anything, you know it's an incredible thing. I'm going to be there. This girl, once there's food there, you know she's going to be there. Once there's food, she's going to be there.
Oh, definitely representing.
Yeah, from DJ Vorosky to the whole AM Club
Yeah.
team, we're all going to be there. So come through, let's chill, let's have some fun. Like they said, it's for kids, for adults, middle age, it does not matter. Thank you guys again so much for coming through. We're going to come through and we're going to support you. But right now we have some music. Kelvin Boy, this is Visa. We don't want to leave, but unfortunately we have
Actually,
to.
I'm staying here for the day. Like, yeah.
Enjoy.